In this video, I am going to show you how to view Verizon text messages online. The Verizon app does not allow you to view the actual content of text messages sent or received on your account. However, you can see text message usage details, such as date, time, and phone number associated with the text. This information is useful for monitoring your account's overall activity and usage, but it does not provide access to the message's content. If you're looking for ways to view text messages on your device, you can use the default messaging app or a third-party messaging app available on your phone. Please note that accessing another person's text messages without their explicit consent may be illegal and a violation of privacy. Keep in mind that the features and policies can change, so it's a good idea to check the current capabilities of the My Verizon app on Verizon's official website, or contact Verizon's customer support for up-to-date information. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.